Welcome students. Now there are some data available in the problem. They are sales rupees 6 lakh, variable cost rupees 4 lakh 20,000, fixed cost 1 lakh 20,000. Calculate the sales volume required to earn a profit of rupees 90,000. In order to bring a profit of rupees 90,000, what will be our sales? Then we can calculate the sales value for bringing the profit of rupees 90,000. The formula is fixed expenses plus profit into sales divided by contribution. In this problem, we have to calculate contribution. Contribution is equal to S minus V. Say S means sales. Sales is equal to 6 lakh minus variable cost 4 lakh 20,000. 6 lakh minus 4 lakh 20,000. So contribution is equal to 1 lakh 80,000. Contribution is equal to 1 lakh 80,000. So we can calculate the sales volume. Sales value for bringing profit of rupees 90,000 is equal to fixed cost plus profit into sales divided by contribution. Fixed expenses 1 lakh 20,000 substituted here plus profit 90,000 also substituted. Then contribution we have calculated 1 lakh 80,000 into sales 6 lakh. So we will get 7 lakhs. The sales volume can bring in the value of profit 90,000. The sales volume 7 lakhs can bring 90,000 profit. Welcome students to my next class. In this class we can discuss about PV ratio. PV ratio means profit volume ratio. Profit volume ratio shows the relationship between contribution to sales. It is the ratio of contribution to sales. PV ratio is equal to contribution divided by sales into 100. PV ratio is equal to contribution divided by sales into 100. By using PV ratio, we can find break-even point. By using PV ratio, we can find break-even point. Break-even point is equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Hence, fixed cost is equal to BEP into PV ratio. Fixed cost is equal to BEP into PV ratio. Next equation, if the profit element is given, in accordance with the sales volume can be calculated. Required sales can be calculated by using a profit element. If the profit element is given, the formula will change. So, profit element is given, the sales volume can be calculated as fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio. The next one, margin of safety. MOS means margin of safety. Margin of safety is equal to, by using PV ratio, we can find margin of safety. Margin of safety is equal to profit divided by PV ratio. Profit divided by PV ratio. Hence we can find profit. Profit is equal to margin of safety into PV ratio. Profit is equal to margin of safety into PV ratio. We can find selling price. Selling price is equal to variable cost per unit divided by 100 minus PV ratio. We can find selling price is equal to variable cost per unit divided by 100 by PV ratio. In this problem, various particulars are given. Sales rupees 1 lakh, variable cost rupees 60,000, fixed cost 30,000. By using these figures, we can calculate PV ratio, break-even point and sales required to earn a profit of rupees 20,000. First, we have to calculate PV ratio. In all these cases, first we have to calculate contribution. Contribution is the basis of all equation. So let us we can calculate contribution. Contribution is equal to S minus V. Contribution is equal to S minus V. Sales is equal to 1 lakh. Variable cost is equal to 60,000. So contribution is equal to 40,000. Contribution is equal to 46,000. 40,000. This is the first in all these cases. Then we can calculate PV ratio. What is the formula for calculating PV ratio? Contribution divided by sales into 100. Contribution divided by sales into 100. Contribution is equal to 40,000 divided by sales 1 lakh into 100. That is PV ratio, contribution to sales is equal to, PV ratio is equal to 40%. By using PV ratio, we can find break-even point. So, break-even point BEP is equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio. By using PV ratio, we can find break-even point. Break-even point is equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost is equal to 30,000. Fixed cost is equal to 30,000 divided by 40%. That is PV ratio is equal to 75,000. 75,000. Then sales required to earn a profit of rupees 20,000. So, sales volume required to earn a profit of rupees 20,000. Formula will change. Fixed expenses plus profit divided by PV ratio. Fixed expenses plus profit divided by PV ratio. Fixed expenses is equal to 30,000 plus profit element 20,000 divided by 40%. Divided by 40% is PV ratio. So, sales volume required to earn a profit of rupees 20,000 is 1,25,000. 1,25,000.